There you have it, all done and ready. And that's how you repost your seat. Sit down. Okay, this is a project that I'm doing. I have to do this by in a day. This is my drum seat. My fat cousin came and sat on my seat and broke it. You can actually see how it's like ripped right there. It ripped the wood, so it has like a tremendous, stupid, flexible bend on it. Who's stretching his back on it? Crazy, man. But luckily I'm a customizer and I customized this. It actually got a gloss feel. Not a gloss, that's a resin. So I'm gonna just take this whole seat off and I'm gonna just make another one, replace the wood on the back and put everything back together so I can play my guitar. Okay, I'm out here at night doing this. But I have my piece of wood here. It's around the same thickness of the first one. What I'm doing is, just trace around this. I really want to get another. Always have something where it's separate from all your other bolts and stuff, because you don't want to lose your original bolts that go to certain things. Because what I have here, I always have you some needle nose pliers. Okay, as you see, I just had my board here, and then I went over it, added my hose, my drill hose. I'm gonna drill that after I get done cutting this out. All right, so what you want to do is with this, I'm gonna take all these off, and this is gonna just peel right off. What it is.
And once you get beat up,
so you just want to clamp it.
Get beat up mentally.
And you're just gonna remove those. So now I got everything taken off, all the end parts. So all we gotta do is just remove this, slide this off. So it's gonna be a two-part thing. This is the wood that my cousin freaking just snapped in two. So I'm gonna keep this, and I'm gonna cut out another version of this. Okay, I'm out here at night doing this. But I have my piece of wood here. It's around the same thickness of the first one. What I'm doing is trace around this. I really want to get another. Big spider over here just watching me, and I'm watching his ass too. Look at that. This thing fits like a glove without even trimming up the edges. I mean, it should anyway. All I did was just cut it out, but that's good work. So I'm gonna just drill the holes in there, and this thing is ready to be upholstered and put back on the seat. And there you have it, all done and ready. And that's how you repost your seat.